Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to Neospark. How are you? I hope you are doing good. This is the announcement video for those students, those South Indian students who don't know Hindi and want to prepare for the GATE 26. Currently, I am starting network theory and it will be start from 10th March at 9 p.m. today. Okay, so anybody who are willing to prepare for the GATE exam and want to study network theory, what you have to do, just go to course.neosparkonline.com, and today is the last day of this discount. Like 70% discount is running on and it will expire today. After that the price will rise. Okay, so what you just go through the link given in the description and click on the course.neosparkonline.com. After that, go to network theory in English batch, and it will be live batch. Go through all the description. It is in 6 months as well as 12 months. You have to click on buy now. You will see the two plan, 6 months and 12 months. Click on any one of those and enroll in that. Okay, if you want to study network theory, it will cost you around 1000 rupees for 6 months, and if you want to purchase for 12 months, then I think it will be around 1600. So this is the last offer that today is the last day. I am giving you the 70% off. After that the price will rise and you won't able to get at this price. Okay, so anybody who are willing to prepare for GATE exam and want to study network theory, they can enroll in that. Okay, the class the first class will be start on 10th March at 9 p.m. and after that the time I will decide during the first 30 minutes. Okay, so enroll in that and join me. Thank you.